Telecel Ghana has given me 5 gig free data valid for 5 good days. And what is the deal? Well, it is right here on your screen. As it is today, they are refunding customers for data bundles that expired without use during the recent internet outage. If you can remember, they assured customers in a statement on March 14th with their intention to roll out refunds after the internet is successfully restored. So on March 20th, thanks be to God, Telecel announced that they have restored 100% internet capacity as of yesterday, and they have started the refunds. So kind of promise fulfilled. So if I were you, I would check my Telecel SIMs for alerts of data refunds. So check this recent video on secret short codes, how to buy cheap data bundles from Telecel. Alright, so thanks a lot, and give this video a like, subscribe, and let me see you next time, and stay safe.